Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is the hardest thing you'll ever do on YouTube. I'm not even exaggerating. That first 1,000 is brutal. It feels like you're screaming into the void and nobody's listening. You upload a video you spend hours on, and it gets 47 views. And 30 of those are you refreshing the page, hoping the number goes up. I've been there. Everyone's been there. But here's what nobody tells you. Getting to 1,000 subscribers without showing your face is actually easier than doing it the traditional way. And I'm going to prove it to you in this video. I've personally built multiple Faceless channels past 1,000 subscribers. I've helped over 11,000 creators do the same thing. And today I'm giving you the exact playbook. No fluff, no generic advice, just the stuff that actually works in 2026. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do to hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone as fast as humanly possible. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about why the first 1,000 is so difficult. And it's not the reason you think. Most people blame the algorithm. They say YouTube doesn't push small channels. That's actually not true at all. YouTube tests every single video regardless of your subscriber count. The real problem is that new creators make content for themselves instead of for viewers. They upload what they want to make instead of what people actually want to watch. And then they're shocked when nobody watches. The algorithm isn't broken. Your content strategy is. And here's the second problem. Most new creators are completely invisible. They have no brand recognition, no loyal audience, nothing that makes someone think I need to subscribe to this channel. When you're faceless, this problem gets amplified because you don't even have a face for people to remember. So how do you stand out? How do you make people subscribe when they don't even know who you are? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Step one is picking the right niche, and I know you've probably heard this a million times, but most people still get it wrong. If you pick an entertainment niche like top 10 videos or celebrity gossip, you're going to have a nightmare getting subscribers. Why? Because people watch those videos for the content, not for the channel. They don't care who made it. They watch one video and leave forever. But if you pick an educational niche, something where you're solving a real problem for people, everything changes. When you help someone solve a problem, they think this channel is useful. I should subscribe so I don't miss future videos. See the difference? Entertainment gets views, education gets subscribers. And for a faceless channel, this matters even more. You need people to subscribe for the value, not for your personality. So if you haven't picked a niche yet, or you're in a niche that's not working, go back and fix this first. I will actually have another video on my channel about finding your perfect niche that you should watch after this one. And if you want my team and I to personally help you pick and validate your niche, we do that inside Tube Accelerator. But for now, just understand that wrong niche equals slow growth, right niche equals fast growth. It's that simple. Step two is understanding what actually makes people subscribe. And this is going to sound obvious, but I promise you 90% of creators don't do this. People subscribe when they believe your future videos will give them value. That's it. That's the whole secret. They're not subscribing because your current video was good. They're subscribing because they think your next video will be good too. So how do you create that belief? First, you need consistency in your content. If your channel has a video about cooking, then a video about cars, then a video about crypto, nobody knows what to expect from you. Why would they subscribe? They have no idea what you're going to post next. But if every single video on your channel is about the same topic, people immediately understand what you're about. They think, okay, this channel posts YouTube automation tips every week. I want to learn more, so I'll subscribe. Boom, new subscriber. Second, you need to actually tell people to subscribe. I know it sounds stupid, but it works. Most new creators never ask for the subscribe. They're scared of being annoying. But here's the reality. People are lazy. Even if they love your video, they'll forget to subscribe unless you remind them. Don't do it in a desperate way. Just naturally mention it. Say something like, if you want more videos about this topic, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Simple, effective. Do it in every single video. Step three is the video strategy that actually grows subscribers. And this is where most faceless channels mess up. They focus on going viral. They want that one video that gets 1 million views and changes everything. Bad strategy. Here's why. Viral videos attract random viewers. Random viewers don't subscribe. They watch once and disappear forever. Instead, you want to create what I call subscriber magnet videos. These are videos that attract your target audience specifically. Videos where the person watching thinks this is exactly what I needed and this channel has more of it. The best way to do this is to create beginner content. I know it sounds counterintuitive. You might think I should make advanced content to look like an expert. Wrong. Beginners are the most likely to subscribe because they need the most help. They're actively looking for channels to learn from. They want to subscribe to someone who will teach them. Advanced viewers already know most things. They watch occasionally but rarely subscribe. So flood your channel with beginner-friendly content. How to start guides. Common mistakes videos. Step-by-step tutorials. This is subscriber bait in the best way possible. Step 4 is optimizing for the subscribe. And I mean literally engineering your videos to maximize subscribes. First, your channel page needs to look professional. If someone clicks on your channel and it looks abandoned, they're not subscribing. Have a clean banner that explains what your channel is about. Have a profile picture that's recognizable. Have your videos organized into playlists. This takes 30 minutes to set up, and it makes a huge difference. Second, create a channel trailer. This is a short video that autoplays for non-subscribers when they visit your channel. Make it 60 seconds max. Explain who you are, what you teach, and why they should subscribe. This alone can double your subscriber conversion rate. Third, use end screens on every video. In the last 20 seconds of your video, add a subscribe button and a link to another video. This catches people right when they're most engaged and reminds them to subscribe. Step 5 is the posting frequency that actually works. And I'm going to be real with you. If you're posting once a week, you're going to grow slowly. That's just the reality. The algorithm needs data to learn who your audience is. The more videos you post, the faster it learns. I recommend 3 videos per week minimum when you're trying to hit that first 1,000. Now you might be saying, Matt, I don't have time for 3 videos a week. And I get it. That's exactly why faceless channels are so powerful. You can use AI tools to speed up your production. You can outsource parts of the process. You can batch create content. I personally use tools like Tube for scripts and Vid AI for video generation. These tools let you create a week's worth of content in one afternoon. The point is, don't let time be your excuse. If you're serious about this, you'll find a way to post consistently. Step 6 is the secret weapon that most people ignore. Community engagement. When you're small, every single interaction matters. Reply to every comment on your videos. Even if you only get 5 comments, reply to all of them. Why? Because when someone comments and you reply, they get a notification, they come back to your video, they spend more time on your channel, they feel connected to you, even though they've never seen your face. This builds loyalty faster than anything else. Also, engage with other channels in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments on bigger channels. Not spammy stuff like great video, check out my channel. Actual thoughtful comments that add value. People see those comments, they click your profile, they check out your channel. Free exposure. Step 7 is tracking what actually matters. Most new creators obsess over the wrong metrics. They refresh their view count every 5 minutes. They stress about subscriber numbers daily. Stop. The only metrics that matter in the beginning are click-through rate and average view duration. Click-through rate tells you if your titles and thumbnails are working. Average view duration tells you if your content is engaging. If your click-through rate is below 4%, your packaging needs work. If people are dropping off in the first 30 seconds, your hooks need work. Focus on improving these 2 numbers and subscribers will follow naturally. Now let me tell you the timeline you should expect. Most channels that follow this system hit 1,000 subscribers in 2 to 4 months. Some do it faster, some take longer. It depends on your niche and how consistent you are. But here's what I can promise you. If you post 3 times a week for 3 months straight and you're not seeing growth, something is fundamentally broken. Either your niche is wrong, your content isn't giving value, or your packaging is terrible. At that point, you need outside help. Someone to look at your channel and tell you exactly what's wrong. And that's exactly what we do inside Tube Accelerator. And if you want my team and I to personally help you every step of the way, you get access to me and my coaches who review your content and give you direct feedback. You get access to my content team who can literally make videos for you. And you get a community of over 11,000 creators who are on the same journey. We've helped people go from 0 to monetized in weeks, not months. If you're serious about this, click the link in the description and book a free call with my team. We'll look at your situation and tell you honestly if we can help. No pressure, no weird sales tactics, just a conversation about your goals. And if you want more free content about growing faceless channels, check out this video right here, which goes deep on everything I know about YouTube automation. My name is Matt Parr. Go get that first 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one.